going to get started on fixing this mess up on our plumbing this morning. We had some rain, so we're getting a little bit late start. It came down pretty bad, but thankfully it's not terrible here. The slab turned out pretty good, so we're satisfied with that. But let me show you what we got to deal with right here, and you can kind of see what we're going to be working with. Alright, as you can see, the pipe is broken and the fitting is broken. So we're going to have to cut this fitting out and put another piece of pipe in. And thankfully, we're going to use a repair coupling, and let me show you what that looks like. Okay, this is a repair coupling. If you notice, there's no ridge on the inside of here, and this makes it easy so that when you slide it on the end of the pipe, get it on there, it slides beyond the cutoff, and so you can just slide it on, glue it up, and then slide it back to where it needs to go, and that way you can put a repair right in the middle of a pipe. So let's get started on getting this repair done. Alright, well, first things first, we got to dig out around this thing so we can start getting it cut out. So I guess no time like the present, huh? Alright, I guess that's probably dug out enough. It is already hot this morning. Well, at least it's not 98 degrees or 97 degrees or whatever it was the other day. But it's muggy. We had some rain this morning, so anyway, hopefully we'll get this done. And that is how you repair it in line. Those little fittings are quite handy. Well, I'm going to call it the end of another day. We got the drain line fixed on the washing machine. And so I got some bad news today. Yesterday, my dad was not doing well, and he ended up at the hospital, and he was admitted. So turns out he's got some kidney problems. He's 92, and of course, as you know, when you have kidney problems, that's not a good thing. But anyway, be that as it may, he's in the hospital right now, or at least on the day I'm making this video. And I just got off the phone with one of the case managers, and it looks like he may be, they may end up putting him in a nursing facility, or perhaps even in hospice. They think that it may have progressed to that level. So, you know, of course we don't like to hear that, but that's what it is. So I honestly don't know how much longer he's gonna be with us, but anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna keep on working on this house, and we're gonna get it going. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.